All right, testing. Welcome everyone. Welcome. We are glad you are all here. All right, welcome to the Crypto Current Nation podcast, where we dive into the latest trends and insights in the cryptocurrency world. Uh, Welcome today. Today is a big day. Yes, it's time for us to get that money. Yes, shout out to uh, the crew. We are glad we're all here to get locked in. And we have some big time news today. We have some big time news, unprecedented news. The As today, the U.S. Securities, the SEC, finally gave the green light uh, to 11 spot Bitcoin exchanges, ETFs. This is a momentous occasion for the cryptocurrency world. I've been part of this community for 7 years. All right, we are going to the freaking moon. I'm so happy, and I'm just looking forward to all the great gains that we're going to get because of this. Now we need to be patient. It's not going to go to the moon right away. This is going to be, I mean, we're dealing with smart money. We're dealing with uh, some of the richest corporations in the entire planet. For example, BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton. Are these people, these organizations are all stepping into the ring. Yes, they're in the ring, but this time they're in the ring with us. We're on the same team. Yes, and we're going to make that money. Okay. Um, so what we're going to do, I'm going to share on my screen because I'm going to share on our screen. Hold on one second. Let me just make sure this is right. Yeah, this is exciting news. This is exciting news. Shout out to Crypto Nation TV for sharing some of this stuff, some of the current updates. Um, this is on Twitter. If you guys want to give them a follow, you can. Oh, also, if you guys can hit the like bell, hit the subscription, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and even share this with some of your coworkers or family members that might not know what's going on with the crypto currency news. They might be a little bit confused, but we here over here on Crypto Current Nation, we give the information straight and we give the information that's true. And truth always wins. Okay, so as you can see, today is phenomenal. They're talking about potentially 4 billions, but $1 billion with a B of inflow money that's being pumped into the cryptocurrency market. All right, so this is definitely a increase. Um, this is definitely an increase. So now we have big giants that are ready, and we have a lot more demand. Financial giants are stepping into the stage, and they want to make money with us. Okay. Um, Now let's talk about the market response, and let's talk about numbers. Let's talk about numbers. So when the market had started, cryptocurrency had gone when Bitcoin had gone up a decent amount, and there's been some issues as you can see here. According to Bitcoin Magazine, shout out Bitcoin Magazine. $7 trillion Vanguard blocks clients from buying spot Bitcoin. Okay, the people are upset. All right, these are very wealthy people, and they are saying no. They're saying no. They don't want to even give their uh, customers a chance to get in on these tremendous gains. So what's going to happen? Well, people are going to walk away. People are going to say, "I don't want to be involved with this. This is America. We have our right, our freedom to do what we'd like. If you want to invest in whatever you want to invest in, and it's legal, which right now it's legal, the Bitcoin ETF, then they should be able to. If not, I would want nothing to do with Vanguard. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Also, we have here Maryland Lynch, owned by Bank of America, is also not allowing customers to buy spot Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, so listen, we need to make a list. Put these people on notice. Hey, Vanguard, we're coming for your head. You're not letting people buy Bitcoin spot ETFs on your platform. You're out of here. You're out of here. We don't have time for that. Okay, Maryland Lynch, Bank of America, the same with you. Hit the road, hit the bricks. All right, we don't got time for this. We're gonna make money, and you guys can all sit on the sideline. Sit on the sideline. Okay, carrying on. Let's take a look here on the fear and greed index. Right now, it's in extreme greed, 76. I would say there's a lot of volatility right now in regards to crypto, the market, and we don't really know what's going to really happen short term. Just so volatile, and we don't know if people are trying to people are trying to play games, okey doke the market, maybe buy a tremendous amount of Bitcoin. It goes up a certain or the ETFs. It goes up a certain amount, a certain percentage, and they're going to rug pull people. It could be a lot of these games playing in the short term, but we know if we swing trade at least, or if we hold long term, we know we have the Bitcoin halving coming up. When the Bitcoin halving is our chance, to make tremendous gains, because we are always 2 steps ahead of everybody else, and we know that the Bitcoin halving means tremendous profit. Okay. Carrying on. What we're going to do here is let's take a look. All right. So carrying on, we have the future. So I would say, so people are asking, they're saying, Floyd Stradamus, what is the future outlook? Well, experts are now eyeing a potential spike in Bitcoin's value, and I would say that their predictions, I've seen predictions from $100,000 by the end of 2024 to $1 million by the end of 2024. We do know, so it's somewhere in between those two levels, I would say. But we do know that this approval is a huge step towards the credibility of Bitcoin as an asset class. It's a clear signal that the world's largest cryptocurrency is finally being embraced with the traditional financial sector. They're still old school traders. They're boomer traders that just want to sell gold and buy gold and put them in safes, and they're buried in their backyard, and they're never going to touch it again. But they feel good because they have that gold that they're never going to sell. It's fascinating. Yes, it sounds like a waste of money. Well, why don't you buy digital gold? Why don't you buy digital Bitcoin, which is digital gold? It only makes sense, but we have to wake them up and let them know, and they will know when they look on their tickers and they see the Bitcoin ETF is going to the friggin' moon. All right, so my end of this story, the end of the breakdown is this. What does this mean for you? What does it mean for us? For the average investor, for the hardworking individual, the person who's just doing everything they can, working 2-3 jobs to put money, to put food on their table, provide for their families and for themselves. What does it mean for us? So this means an opportunity to participate in the Bitcoin market without directly owning the asset. It's a game changer for both us, the retailer, and the institutional investors. But remember, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. It's crucial to stay informed and make educated decisions, and make sure you do your research, okay? And make sure you tune into Cryptocurrent Nation, your boy Floyd Stradamus, who's always going to tune in on a daily basis and give you guys the updates, the rightness, the truth, and what's right and what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, that's a wrap for today's episode. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the crypto world. This is Floyd Stradamus signing off from the Cryptocurrent Nation podcast. Keep investing smart and stay crypto curious. Peace.